along. So keep visiting the booths.
Time no see. Ay, okay. Sorry. Kung po kayo makita in person.
How is everyone doing today? Welcome. Have to scan a QR code to the
Hindi.